Moving on to the 11th problem. State whether following are true or false and justify your answer. Moving on to the solution. Let us consider first bit. He has given that the value of tan A is always less than 1. It is false because the value of A corresponding to value 1 is 45 degrees. So as tan 0 to tan 90, the value increases from 0 to infinity, we can't say that the value of tan A is always less than 1. So the first statement is false. And moving on to second bit, he has given that secant A is equal to 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. That means he says that secant A value can be greater than 1. So we know that the value of secant A tends from 0 to infinity on varying of angle A. So this value can be satisfied for some angle of A in secant. So we can say that given statement is true. Now moving on to the third bit. Cos A is abbreviation used for cosecant of angle A. No, cos A is used for the cosine of angle. We can write that given statement is false, as cos A is used for the abbreviation of cosine. Now moving on to the fourth bit. Cot A is product of cot and A. It's false because we know that cot A is nothing but the ratio of adjacent side to the opposite side. We can't say it's a product of cot and A. Moving on to fifth bit. Given that sine theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta, this will be false because we know the sine value tends from just 0 to 1. It is minimum at theta equal to 0, that is value is 0, and at theta equal to 90 it is maximum and the value is 1. So the value can be 4 by 3.